This video is my first try to friction welding of a stainless steel rod. I found two 10mm rods and tied them in the lathe machine chuck. After contacting the face and forcing them together, the heat that generated by the friction leads to rise temperature and reddening and melting. Also, one of them start to moving, and the movement lead to that the rods don't be in same direction. This is my lathe. However, the weld strength is not too bad. In the second try, and to control the shocks, I machined the welding place in the form of a cone. It worked well at the first, but then